me.
Though, huh?
I could.
And I didn't bring. I have a hat. A wig hat. Didn't bring it. Chris is the only one that dressed up.
Well, I'm gonna dress up later.
Well, I'll just go as I am. I'll go as a hairstylist.
Okay, a pedestrian.
Yeah, that's right.
I think that's the same thing I did last year.
You can't videotape when she's doing these.
Yes, I
Oh,
can.
let's get Sharon in the picture.
Yes. We have the Wicked Witch and we have Dorothy. Oh yes. Oh, we have to
The
video.
Munchkin.
Yes, we have to videotape the Munchkin.
The Munchkin.
That is so funny. Very creative.
The Munchkin.
I'll have to bring you that tape from last year. I laughed my head off.
Not as good this year.
You were pretty darn good last year.
What were you last year? Amy? When you did Gary?
Enough is enough.